Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting the app and signing in so you can join quickly. Once installed, open Zoom and grant camera and mic permissions. Those allow audio and video to work. Make an account or sign in with SSO, Google, or email. That saves settings. Next, tap Join and either paste the meeting link or type the meeting ID and passcode. If you're in a hurry, use the link, otherwise confirm your display name so others recognize you. Once in the meeting, learn the controls so you can participate smoothly. Tap Mute to silence background noise and stop video when you need privacy. Make sure to unmute before speaking. Use participants to see names, message hosts privately, or raise your hand to request the floor. Switch between gallery and speaker view depending on whether you want many thumbnails or a focused speaker. When required, tap Share and choose Screen, Photo, or Document to present. Confirm audio sharing if needed. To finish, tap Leave to exit or end meeting if you're the host. Consider saving the chat or recording before confirming. Once done, review settings to tweak audio source, speaker output, virtual background, and data usage for future calls. If audio or video fails, first close and reopen the app, then confirm mic/camera permissions in system settings. Next, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data or join via the phone dial-in option. If issues persist, restart your phone and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.